Hello everyone, here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a particle hearts like this. In this tutorial I used Trapcode particulars. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, create a new composition, press OK, go to layer, import your image, drag and drop and go to layer, auto trace and make sure that you are on current frame and also apply to new layer, then press OK. Now I'll turn off this one and also this one. Then I'll go to layer, new solid and I'll call it particular. Then press OK, go to Effects, Trapcode and Particular. OK, open emitter and change point to text/mask and go to text again and change none to auto trace and source to effects and masks like this. And check this one. Okay, also I'll go to emitter and particles per second and change it to 400 and I'll make all velocity 0. Okay, and I'll change image form to edges like this. Okay, now I'll go to particle and size, change it to 2 and also I'll go to size overlap and change presets to this one and also I'll go to opacity overlap and change it like this. Okay, now I'll go to color and I'll change it to color overlap. Okay, now open color overlap and presets and I'll choose this one. Okay, I have a colors here, so Ctrl C and Ctrl V, again Ctrl C and Ctrl V, again Ctrl C and Ctrl V. This is my colors. Okay, now I'll go to effect and stylize and glow. I'll close particle here and Ctrl D to copy. Okay, then I'll go to effect, color correction and I'll choose curves and change RGB like this and also I'll go to alpha and change it like this. Okay, now I'll go to layer, new adjustment layer and go to effect, stylize and glow again. Okay, I'll change 80 and also radius to 60. Okay, I'll go to effect and color correction curves and then I'll go to alpha and also I'll change alpha like this. Okay, now I'll go to particle and Ctrl D to copy and and I'll change text slash mask to box. Then I'll go to X, Y, and Z and change emitter size X like this. I'll increase it like this. And I'll go to particles here and I will change it to 100, just 100. Okay. Now I'll go to layer, new solid and background, press OK. Then I'll go to effect, generate and gradient ramp. Okay, I'll change linear ramp to radial ramp and I'll put this point into the middle and change this color. Okay. Okay, now we'll go again to particle and I want to increase this more. Maybe 1000. And this is my tutorial. Okay, this is my tutorial. If you like it, don't forget like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.